are devoted to cartoons and all these useless contents on the digital media, which decreases the capacity of mind to work more and just have a leisure time going on.
Is it possible that we spend our whole life just based on love? I don't think so. Because love is not the only thing that we humans want in this world. But there are many other things, the financial responsibility, the financial freedom, and the responsibility to have a good life without love.
Who says we have freedom? Like I'm a girl and I can't walk in night fearlessly. I can't travel alone anywhere. I can't go anywhere without my parents' permission. And now I'm married as so I can't go anywhere without my in-laws' permission.
So actually, home is a place of peace. So I believe that is possible in tier 2 cities, in small towns where we don't have such rush and passion.
If everyone is participating in war, how is that a good lifestyle and how does that provide safety? It does not, and many families used to suffer because of this.